Okay, I've got 8 units here. As you see, there's 3 of them with my AFG, and then there's 6 over here, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, 5 over on this other side. And the problem I'm having is that I've only got a 4-channel scope right now. So as you see, I've synchronized 4 channels. Actually, I've synchronized all 8. And what I do is I'll stop the trigger here. And it's hard to tell, but it's not triggering now. I'll clear it, just so you know for sure that we're starting from. Sorry for I'm using my cell phone for this. I'm shaking just a little bit. So let me go ahead and send the trigger again. And you can see we're very well synchronized. Let me do that a couple of times. Off, on, off, on. Now of course if we change the sample rate or turn the power off, we're going to have a problem. I'll have to reset this. This probably took me about a half an hour to set up. I found that it seemed like there was 1 unit that was out of range of adjustment. The nice thing is that with all these instruments you have a little bit more range than you would with just 2 instruments, because you can move them around. So what I would find is the worst case condition and adjust around that worst case condition. And I found that in many cases I could just hit the play button to stop it and then to start it up again, and I'd keep doing that until the pulse was actually within range to be adjusted. So what I'm going to do now is, you can see that several of the channels aren't hooked up right now, mainly because I've only got a 4-channel scope. So what I'll do is I'll just pick one of these. Let me just pick this one here, and let me go back to the scope here so you can see the scope. So the blue trace is the one I just pulled, and if I go and connect it up to one of these other that weren't connected, you can see that we're still within sync. And let me try another one here. So that's the other box that wasn't connected. And so you can see that they're all synced up. I'll go ahead and remove the trigger again and start it back up again, stay synchronized. So I feel fairly confident that we can do this with 8 units. It is a fairly time-consuming process, though. Like I said, it took me about a half an hour to get all 8 units synchronized, but at least it's possible. So that's it for now.